is totally over. Remember, for some months, Wells has been monitoring, Wells have been watching Terra Classic LUNC. They also plan to add this coin. Okay, they wanted to add this coin and they wanted to invest heavily on Terra Classic LUNC. But right now, I think that dream, that hope for Terra Classic getting themselves on Wells buying millions of dollars worth of Terra Classic. I don't see that coming anymore because even Well themselves are not even saying anything about it. And of course, who wants to invest in a coin that is people are even running away from who want to invest on the coin. People are selling because right now, when you compare Terra Classic in the past 3 months, it means that many people have actually left. Many people have sold out what they have. Many people have sold out their positions. Many people are no longer, even the staking are also reduced compared to how it was before. The rate has been increasing all the way from 40 billion coins of Terra Classic that they've staked right now, and even hit over 1 trillion. But that ratio, the staking ratio, have really reduced. So these are so many things that investors check. Investors want to see how constant is that coin increasing in terms of their market cap, how constant is that coin increasing in terms of their wallet, in terms of their holders, how in terms of their price, of course, in terms of their trading volume. There's so many things they check. You can't just invest thousands of dollars or millions of dollars in a particular coin just because you see that coin have some zeros. No, you have to check statistics. So these things, I believe that Wells, before they choose any coin to invest on, they go through a lot. They have to research more before they choose. So I don't see Wells, because Terra Classic does not have any tangible or any good statistics that can attract big investors like Wells to come in. Even though they have interest, yes, I understand they have interest, huge interest on this coin, but I don't see that interest again. I don't see Wells coming in for Terra Classic more, decide to invest heavily on Terra Classic. So you see, every day by day, things keep getting worse for Terra Classic. And for me, I think I don't know what to say about it. But for Wells, assume they got that support. Assume Wells invested heavily on this coin. Believe me, like I said, if Wells invests $5 million, then the market cap may rise up to $7-8 million because so many people will be attracted to invest, for example. And of course, it also helps Terra Class in terms of ranking, but I don't see that coming anymore. Wells have so many coins, so many new coins that were just launched few months ago that Wells decided to channel their interest on. These are the coins Wells are buying right now as I'm talking to you. So right now, they are no longer looking at Terra Classic coin. Anyhow it is, but please remember, subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos, because we'll be bringing to you many ways you can earn free money online, many ways you can start up side hustling without capital. You don't need money to start some of the business. Some of the things we'll be showing you here on this channel. This is why you need to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.